In the heart of a timeless forest, a waterfall whispered secrets to the stones below. "Why do you persist?" asked the stones, worn yet resilient. "I shape you," replied the waterfall, "and you shape me." Over centuries, the water carved paths, creating beauty from persistence. "Together, we transform," the waterfall sang, embracing the stone's strength. The stones, in turn, soften the water's fall, teaching patience. "Our journey is endless," they agreed, harmonizing in their dance. The forest watched, inspired by their unity, a testament to change and endurance. "Embrace the flow," echoed the waterfall, inviting all to transform.